Hello, welcome back to detailR. It's been quite a while since I've done a proper video, so this time we've got a Lotus Emira. It's pretty new, 800 miles, and it didn't look this good when it came, so stick around and see how I made it look like this. So we've got the Lotus all washed up, got the big lights off. We're going to walk around and show you the paint condition. So, see, it's kind of swirly. Oh, is that the best light? Let's change it. Come on, there we go. So it's quite swirly. There's a few, so like here, it's a little scratch. A few bits dyed around. So the car's only done 800 miles. See, someone's giving it a buff over. I hope it's showing up on video, some buffer trails there. So these gloss black trims, you can see they've been hit with a polisher. Buffer trails again. Again on the rear bumper, swirls and buffer trails. It's quite hard to capture actually, using a phone on a red car. A little walk along, some more there, more buffer trails, swirls. Did notice up top here, see it's quite scratched up on here. And of course, being fiberglass and plastic and such, all the panels are sort of a different shape in terms of texture. And then, oh come on phone, please capture it. Oh. And this is what would be the bonnet. It had an engine in the front. And this has all been hit with a polisher as well. So annoyingly it was kind of hard to show you the condition, but it's not brilliant for a car that's only done 800 miles and less than 2 months old. Looks lovely from a distance, but with the lights on, out in the sun, it looks bad. So we're going to give it a single stage polish. We're going to use Hyper Clean Velo, one step cut and finish. It's going to look lovely. Stay tuned and you'll see the results. Okay, so the car has all been machine polished, been blown dry again. Going to go around now, panel wipe, make sure there's no residues left on the paintwork that will stop the ceramic coating bonding. Do that, let it settle for a bit, and we'll get the coating on. So there's the Lotus all finished. It looks fabulous compared to when it came in, and it's such a cool car. So we've done full wash decontamination, machine polish on the paintwork, ceramic coat the paint, the glass, the wheels, quick interior clean, and it's done, ready for the owner to enjoy. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed it, give it the thumbs up, maybe subscribe, and I'll try and do some more soon.